How to recover your hacked Facebook page? Well, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Facebook Help Center. Moving to the very first site. It will land you on this page. Right here, tap on Pages. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into Policies and Reporting. Head over to Intellectual Property. Scroll down and right here it says Was this helpful? Simply tap on No. And then tap on Other. It will show you one description box. In this page, you need to enter all of the problems that you have been facing on Facebook or Facebook page. You can simply write that your account has been hacked and you want to recover it. You can also enter your contact details. Once you have written all of the problems, tap on Submit right here. Your report will be successfully sent to the Facebook support. And then within 24 hours, the Facebook support will definitely come up with some solution for you and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can recover your hacked Facebook pages. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.